Hey traders, it's Cristo here. It's about 2 o'clock here on Central Time, and just want to make a quick video update about a little bit of a price action suggestion in here, and it looks like we might have a signal in here on the Aussie dollar. This is a chart on the Aussie dollar on the 4-hour chart, and you can notice that this pair has been fighting this level for the second time today actually, and we've had this 104.96 zone tested 2 times, and our stops survived once again here on 105. So and you can see quickly after the market tried to move higher, it was blocked, and something interesting, it's posting on the 4-hour charts, and then and that's the look of this double bar formation. This is a pretty good indication of a reversal in the market and a failure of the top side. So pretty much anytime you see candles like this coming from an important resistance or support level, it's suggestive of a move in the opposite direction. So to give you an example of something similar, you can see something similar over here, and that was a failure of this low. The market moved down, it was quickly faked up, and then we squeezed all the way up higher into this almost 105 levels, and now this similar thing happens towards the top side. So in terms of price action reading, that's one of the kind of a signal that you need to watch for, and it's important that you keep an eye on it. Also, if you look right now on the 1-hour charts, after this failure above, we're posting a bearish bar, and here a rejection bar, which pretty much suggests a continuation of this failure in here. So let's see what the market does. The next level of support into the Aussie dollar comes up here about 104.45, 104.50. So the market might try to get up here and then probably build up here a right shoulder, coming back into a second leg up before a continuation lower. If we do have a failure up here, watch for a move a little bit higher, but that's about what I can read right now into this price. So pay attention on the Aussie on the 4-hour charts. Let's see how the day closes in here. You can notice the second failure up here at these levels. This continues to be that 786 level that we're watching for quite a while now, and that's the fib level of this leg down. We're retracing. If we're making a double top in here and the market is able to kind of turn down and slow, then we can probably have a continuation lower. So pay attention on the Aussie. We're continuing to be short on that. It looks like we're getting a little bit of help also in terms of risk aversion from the equity markets, and it's pretty clear what's going on up here on the S&P 500. These levels of 1576 were never touched. As they say, closed but no cigar. So the level was a few points higher. The market kind of sharply corrected after this happens. And if you guys, I think I talked about this in yesterday's video, the fact that anytime we have a heavy consolidation upward move like this one in here, the market tries to squeeze up higher, as you can see clearly through this bullish bar in there, and then it's quickly followed by this drop into the market to pretty much kill everybody that bought this breakout. It's something similar, after a gruesome move higher into the market of quite a few weeks here of choppiness, crazy choppiness into the S&P 500. What's going on in here? We're having this little breakup with this bullish candle in here, you can see clearly, and then once we break higher, the market quickly reverses lower, and it squeezes everybody out. So overall we're still in this uptrend, obviously, and there is a lot of defenses that the market can place in here for for the bulls. So we have trend lines over trend lines over trend lines, so all of these levels will need to be taken out. before this trend will reverse. So if this is a start of a correction, of a more major correction, we don't know, but for right now we're having some selling. You can notice how the market on the 4-hour chart kind of stops at this trend line in here. Very nice rejection from these levels. It could very well turn up back tomorrow to some bullish and keep moving higher. So just pay attention in here, and then if we can close below this level, the bears will gain more confidence into moving lower and probably targeting lower levels. So that's all I see for today, guys, and it was just a quick video update to talk a little bit about the price action in the Aussie. I think the euro, it's just waiting. Actually, let's take a quick look at the euro dollar. I think euro is just waiting for tomorrow's news coming from the ECB. So I don't foresee a whole lot of movement in there. We're continuing to be in this messy correction in here. Some of the Elliott wave guys, I'm pretty sure that they can label this into X, Y, Z, W, and whatever other letters are there in the alphabet, or A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? We don't know, but it looks like there's nothing impulsive in here. It's pretty much a correction, so we'll see if this develops into anything bigger. But for right now, this 2840 continues to act as a strong magnet into the market, and it's the price it moves above it, offers support, moves below it, becomes resistance, and for right now it's a very important pivot into the market. We're still short in here, waiting for 2690 and below, and we'll see if that happens. If the market moves higher after Mr. Draghi talks tomorrow, then that's the way it is. So our stops are in place. So all right, guys, have a great rest of the day, and happy trading. I hope this helps. All right, bye bye.